Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be taking a look inside of this Dayton Audio HTA100BT just to see if it is a Class D amp or if it's a Class AB amp. So let's get to it. So based on these transistors and the layout of the resistors back there, I would say it is a Class AB amp for sure. But either way, I could pull this out, I just don't want to. There we go, that's a better look inside. So, yeah. Right there's the back of the tubes. The tubes actually do stuff. So apparently this is the tube. This section is the preamp section for this amp. Looks like the signal. That's where the power comes from. The power to the tube is like 700 volts or something like that. Looks pretty built, honestly. I'm just gonna get this back together and I'll. Played some music through it. I didn't break it, but now that's what the inside of it looks like. So the tubes actually are the preamp stage for the main Class AB push-pull amplifier stage. So